Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Take care, ma. Welcome to third class, second term, science subject. Lesson Birds. Watch, listen, speak, read, write. Let's start our new lesson. Unit 1 Birds. Introduction of birds. Birds, like other living things, need food. Some birds eat flesh, while some eat grains. Birds eat different foods. Some eat flesh and some eat grains, seeds, and fruits. You know, children, birds do not have teeth. They use their beak to tear, bite, chisel, or crush the food. The shape of the beak is according to the food habit of the bird. Some birds use their beaks to fight the enemy or catch the prey. Piercing and tearing beak. Some birds like eagle and vulture eat flesh. Some birds have a strong, hard and curved beak that helps them to tear flesh. Example, they eat small animals like chicks, frogs and snakes. Crushing beak. Birds like sparrow and pigeon have a short and hard beak. They use it for crushing seeds and grains and make them soft before eating.